What's the difference between freehold and condominium? Honestly, it's just two different types of ownership. Condominium is just the ownership of you owning a share or a percentage of the building. That condominium is going to take care of all the repairs. If the roof needs to be done, windows replaced, or garbage taken out, the condominium will take care of that when the time is right. But this also means you gotta abide by their rules. It could mean like you have to have white blinds, or you can only paint your garage a certain shade of brown. You might not even be allowed to have pets. With the property management taking care of this building, you have to pay a maintenance fee. The maintenance fee covers a lot of the common expenses, any upcoming repairs, and pretty much management to take care of the building. Because obviously, who would really want to take on that responsibility for free? A freehold owner. As a freehold owner, you have free reign to pretty much do whatever you want. You can renovate however you want to do that kitchen. The only thing is you might have to get some permits for certain things like taking down a load-bearing wall or adding a sunroom in the back. However, whenever there are maintenance, you should probably do it. You can't just call property management to fix it. People want ownership and the free reign to do what they want with their property. So freehold historically has appreciated faster than condominium. But now that condominiums are pretty much the most affordable type of housing, the appreciation because of the demand has really pushed it up to compete against the appreciation of freehold properties. So if you need any guidance through anything like that, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We're here to help. Until then, I'll see you next Wednesday.